Unboxing the latest smart refrigerator unveils a cutting-edge appliance designed to revolutionize kitchen experiences with its sleek digital interface and advanced cooling technology. Highlighted features include its Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing seamless integration with smart home systems, energy-efficient compressors, and multi-zone temperature controls, ideal for extending the freshness of groceries. First impressions focus on its spacious interior, with adjustable shelves and transparent door-in-door design for easy access to commonly used items. Practical use cases include remotely adjusting temperatures via a mobile app and receiving alerts for door ajar warnings. It blends style with function, catering to eco-conscious consumers, aiming for enhanced convenience combined with sustainable living solutions.